How to unfriend someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. To unfriend someone on Snapchat, first you need to make sure to update your app and then launch a Snapchat. Make sure to log into your account. Head towards chat icon and bottom left corner, and then you will land on the chat section. To unfriend, you need to first locate the friend and then tap and hold them. Here you will see different options. Before that, make sure that you are friends on a Snapchat. Now select Manage Friendship option and tap on Remove Friend. If you are sure, select Remove button and this friend will be removed from your Snapchat and they will be unfriended. So that's it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.